90 acres. Summerlin built its biggest park ever, and 5 brand new communities wrap around it. Let's talk about the fastest growing corner of Summerlin, Grand Park Village, out west of the 215 north of Far Hills. If you want a brand new home in Las Vegas right now, this is where all the action is. The whole village is built around Grand Park itself, more than 90 acres, the single biggest park in all of Summerlin. Phase 1 opens the first half of this year with baseball fields, pickleball and basketball courts, a splash pad, playground and adult fitness stations. You're not just buying a house, you're buying a lifestyle. Right now Grand Park has 5 brand new neighborhoods with 34 floor plans, single-family homes and attached townhomes from Pulte, Toll Brothers, Richmond American, Woodside and Tri-Point. That's a ton of choice in one walkable village. Let's talk money. Attached townhomes start in the mid-400s. That's your entry point into a brand new Summerlin home. Single-family homes climb from there depending on builder and lot. Richmond American's Primrose Park opened in January, 76 two-story luxury homes in their Aspire collection. And Pulte's gated Brantley community brings 168 single-family homes on 40 acres. These are your bread-and-butter Grand Park options. Want luxury? Toll Brothers just opened Glenrock. 8 floor plans from 2,900 to 4,500 square feet. Price from about 1.6 to nearly 1.9 million. Big, gorgeous and gated. And it's only getting bigger. Tri-Point's Aberdeen adds 131 home sites. Leonard's gated Fairview brings 85 luxury single-story homes. And Toll's Reflection Ridge opens this summer, with 148 more lots. So what's the play? Builders are stacking incentives right now. Rate buydowns, closing cost help, design credits. In a market where resales are sitting, new construction is where the deals are. Grand Park lets you lock in a brand new home and a brand new lifestyle at once. Here's how I make it easy. Every Grand Park builder, promo and price lives in one place at grandparknewhomes.com, updated weekly. Buying in Henderson? Go to hendersonnvnewhomes.com. Northwest Vegas? Northwest Las Vegas newhomes.com. Out of state? I'll video tour any model and register you. The builder pays my fee, so it costs you nothing. Follow at Megan E Realty and DM me for the Summerlin newsletter. Follow Megan E Realty. Every Grand Park builder, deal and prices at grandparknewhomes.com, updated weekly. Out of state? I'll video tour it for you.